Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox Zelio Plus 1100 inverter of Luminous company. This is India's most intelligent UPS friends. Okay, friends, this is going to show you the backup in terms of hours and minutes in the display itself. This is the digital display friends. Okay, this is having 32-bit DSP processor. And it is also going to show you the indication of water level whenever battery requires top up. Okay, this is the special feature for this inverter. Friends, this is having volt ampere rating of 900 volt amperes and active power rating of 76 watts. Friends, make sure that you have connected load less than the active power rating of the inverter. If you want to know the reason, please go to the previous video of EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company in my channel. Friends, this is a sine wave inverter, so you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noise. As this is a sine wave inverter, this is best suitable for the cities, low voltage of areas and low time power cuts. Friends, if you want to know the reason for this, please go to the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen, friends. Friends, this is having DC voltage of 12 volts, friends. So this is the single battery inverter. Friends, you can select battery type also over here. If you have selected your battery as tall tubular, go with the tall tubular. If you have selected flat plate, go with the flat plate. S indicates for this inverter, that is SMF, friends. So if you have selected SMF battery, go with the S. Friends, you can select charging current also over here. If you want to charge your battery faster, go with the higher charging current, friends. Friends, for this inverter, you can select the battery capacity anywhere from 80 ampere hours to 150 ampere hours. Okay, friends, make sure that you have selected best battery. Okay, based on your requirement. If you have selected low capacity battery, go with the lower charging current, friends. Because if you have selected higher charging current for the low capacity battery, it is going to decrease your battery life. So make sure that one. Friends, this is having charging current of 15 amperes. Friends, this is having MCB, friends. So you are going to protect this inverter by using MCB. Friends, this is having normal mode and bypass mode. The advantage of having bypass mode is whenever the inverter is not working, the loads that are connected to the inverter is not going to get the supply, friends. So at that moment, if you switch it to the bypass mode, then it is going to bypass the mains current, friends. That is the advantage of bypass mode. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company Zelio Plus 1100. Here you can see the sine-sided logo, friends. That means this is a sine wave inverter. Okay. Here you can see India's most intelligent inverter. Okay. Friends, here you can see the display indications. Mains available, eco mode, battery electrolyte level, battery charge or discharge level, remaining time of battery charge and discharge, false. Here you can see protections, friends. Short circuit, overload, wrong wiring, over temperature, battery deep discharge. Here you can see the alarm, friends. Okay, battery low pre-alarm, battery low short circuit and overload. It is going to alarm whenever this takes place. Friends, here you can see manufacturing date, month and year. 17 June 2020. Here you can see lot number, product name sine wave UPS, model Zelio Plus 1100 by 12 volts. That means this is single battery inverter. Okay, here you can see voltage, friends, 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Quantity, one number. That means only one product will be available in this box. Here you can see MRP, friends, maximum retail price of 10,000. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address, friends. For consumer complaints, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see toll free number, email ID, website. You can contact through any of this if you have any complaint or query. Friends, the display of this inverter, that is Zelio Plus 1100, will be like this. Friends, here you can see the key features. Power backup time, display in hours and minutes. Battery electrolyte level indicator glows whenever the battery requires to water top up. Input mains protection through MCB, 32-bit DSP processor. Okay. Friends, here you can see the warranty of 24 months. Okay. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company Zileo Plus 1100 inverter. Now I am going to unbox it. Friends, here you can see the warranty card, user manual. This is the display, friends. Friends, here you can see Zileo Plus 1100, Luminous company. This is the power on and power off button, friends. Okay. This is the front side of the inverter. Now I am going to show the back side of the inverter, friends. Friends, here you can see the heat sink. This is the heat sink, friends. It is going to control the temperature. Okay. Okay, here you can see the positive terminal of the battery, friends. Here you can see the negative terminal of the battery. Okay. Friends, here you can see the eco mode, UPS mode. Okay, based on your requirement, you have to select the mode. Okay. UPS is the best, friends, because you can run your devices very safely. Okay, here you can see the battery selector, friends. You can select 3 types of battery over here: tubular, flat, SMF. Based on your battery type, you have to select this. Okay. Friends, here you can see the output of this inverter. If I slowly plug out, this is the input, friends. From this plug we are going to take the input to this inverter. Okay, AC input 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Okay, here you can see the input MCB, friends. This is of rated 10 amperes. Okay. Friends, here you can see normal mode and bypass mode. Okay. Friends, here you can see model Zileo Plus 1100 inverter. Input rated voltage 220 volts AC. Rated current 5.45 amperes. Okay. Frequency is of 50 Hz single phase. Output rated voltage is of 220 volts AC. Rated current 4.3 amperes. Frequency 50 with the tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 Hz. Single phase. Here you can see the capacity, friends, 900 volt amperes and the active power rating of 756 watts. Operating temperature 0 to 45 degrees centigrade. Here you can see DC bus rating of 12 volts DC, 60 amperes. Current rating is of 60 amperes, friends. Friends, here you can see the warning. While connecting battery, correct polarity should be followed. Recommended battery for 12 volts with the range of battery 80 ampere hours to 150 ampere hours. Friends, as this inverter is having volt ampere rating of 900 volt amperes, you can load up to 3 lights, 3 fans and 1 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, this inverter is best suitable for shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that, friends. Friends, this inverter is having MCB. So, whenever the overload takes place or short circuit takes place, it is going to trip the MCB of the inverter. So, at that moment, you have to check whether it is the overload or short circuit and make the adjustments, and you have to switch on the MCB. Friends, for more details, please go through the link in the description below. Follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you want to buy this product or if you have any doubts regarding this product, please call to the number on the screen. Or you can WhatsApp also. 9966 979707. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you want me to do review of other products, please let me know, friends, so that we will come up with the new video. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.